What's up, guys? Welcome to Candid Tech TV. What you're looking at here behind me is the brand new Epson 3200 home theater 4K projector. I'm going to show you my unboxing of it here coming up, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this thing weighs about 16 pounds. So first off, it's pretty heavy. You can see here, looks pretty cool, cool design features and everything like that. But when you first get this, I'm going to show you here, you're going to get it in a pretty big box. It's pretty heavy for shipping purposes and everything. It's brand new, just came out last week. So I'm going to show you what you get in the box with this $1,500 projector, and I'm going to show you what to expect. But before we go any further, quick word from our sponsor, Outlinks. So Outlinks sent me over these stickers, and it's a smart QR code sticker that you can basically place on anything in the real world and create a virtual link to. So some very practical uses for this are throwing this on, say, like a moving box, and then you can label all the items inside. You can even take pictures and show what's inside the box. So in my studio, I've got a ton of extra equipment, ton of extra products that I've reviewed, and I threw this on one of my Rubbermaid boxes, and now I know what's in there. So if I ever need to go in there, I'm not going to be just pulling out a ton of products. One other thing I did is I threw this on the back of my camera, and what I can do with that is I can actually plan my content schedule on there. I can just whip out my phone, use the Outlinks app, and then I can see all the different videos I've got coming up. There's other cool features too, like the ability to post comments, add images, and you can actually let other people post comments and open it up for them. So if you want people to post something, then you can kind of start a chain, which is pretty neat. So guys, Outlinks is a simple but useful tool that anybody can use. I appreciate Outlinks for sending over these samples and for sponsoring this video to bring this content to you. Alright guys, so here we go. You see it's the Home Cinema 3200 here. We are going to start opening this baby up. Okay. All right. So first layer is open here. Here is everything inside here. All right. So looks like the first thing we're seeing here is a little bit of like an info sheet. It says how it's the latest 4K PRO-UHD tech. Talks about how it supports HDMI 2.0 specs. You'll enjoy 4K HDR gaming at full 60 frames per second in the latest generation of consoles and streaming devices. And so it gives you a link here basically saying, for more information on how to optimize your Home Cinema 3200, please visit here. And then page 2, this is kind of talking about some of the key highlights and talks about how you can hook it up to sound. It talks about Bluetooth and kind of some other ways there. So here is the remote. Seems like a pretty heavy-duty, robust remote. You can kind of see the size of my hand there. So definitely a bit bigger than your typical like budget projector ones, for sure. Got battery compartment back there, so it's like 2 AA batteries to power that thing, but you know, a lot of different buttons on here and everything. You got your sources up here, your typical forward, back, rewind, all that kind of stuff. Enter buttons, HDR, color mode, keystone down on the bottom here, 3D format, user, memory, grayscale. So pretty much everything you're going to need, it looks like, on here. And then of course you're going to get your power cable here. So there's that. Then it looks like this is your full menu. So that other one was kind of a little intro sheet and some specs. This is your full-on menu here. And that's something that you guys can take a look at as well. I won't go too deep into that or anything. Alright, so let's get to this actual projector here. I'm going to get the foam holders out. This is a biggie. By the way, there are the batteries. They do include those, which is nice with the remote. Alright, so that is it for the box. Alright, we'll get this beast back up here. So this thing weighs like 16 pounds. So this is a pretty heavy projector and a pretty heavy box when you get it. So let's zoom in here a little bit. We'll get some of this tape off and get down to the actual projector. Okay. So here we go. This thing looks beautiful. All right. So getting that off, there is the actual projector. You can see pretty darn big. You can compare to my hand size here. You can see in here you've got a little foam piece that they put in there to help protect the lens with shipping, so that's nice. Looks like here, there's the lens cover, nice clear cover, and that will cover the center right there to keep your lens nice and secure. Looks like right here is the lens control, so you just twist it here. Then you've got keystone here. Looks like, so on the top you've got both a vertical and a horizontal keystone wheel, so that can help correct the picture there. On the top here you've got kind of lamp status, temperature, your power button, home, menu, your navigational controls there. You can see kind of the stickers down here, HDR, 3D, HDMI compatible. Got the model number right up here, Home Cinema 3200. But yeah, just left side here, you basically got the fan. Right side, nothing really over there. Again, here's a look at the front. You've kind of got the lens right there on that side. Other side, you've got the fan. And then over here on the back is where it looks like you're going to have all the different connectors back here. So you've got two HDMIs right here and here. You've got like a mini USB and a full-size USB right there. There's an audio out port, so that's pretty cool because you can just hook that up with an aux cable, which is awesome. And then you've got a DC out port right over here so that you can power something. So you can use that for, say, like a Fire Stick or something like that that needs some extra power. On the bottom, guys, you can see here, there are different little mounting bracket ports right here. So there's 5 of them, 3 on the front and 2 on the back corners there if you want to mount this. And then right here, you are going to have to help adjust your picture. On the 2 front corners, you're going to have these little like plastic feet to raise the picture up if needed. You can see there, if you need to, you can extend those feet a little bit. And right on the very bottom on the back here, here's your power port. So you can hook up your power cable right there to power up the device. All right, guys, so there you have it. So this is what this thing looks like. I'm going to be doing a bunch of different videos around this Epson Home Theater 3200 projector. So if you're looking for a 4K projector, definitely subscribe because I'm going to have more videos coming out on this one. Like I said, this is a brand new projector. It literally just came out last week. As far as I can see right now, you can get it from Best Buy, you can get it from B&H Photo Video. There is a link for Amazon. I don't think it's active right at the time of doing this video, but check that out there. You can see the full spec page and everything. And then when that link does go live, that's going to be down there in the description. So definitely check that out. That is an affiliate link. It helps me out a little bit too. Helps me bring videos like this to you. But definitely subscribe. Stay tuned for that full review. I'm definitely going to show you the brightness, show you some of the picture quality, all that kind of stuff. If you have any questions or anything in advance that you want to see, definitely let me know down there in the comment section. But guys, I cover a bunch of projectors on this channel. I have a whole budget projector playlist, and then some other projectors like this one that I've covered on here. So you'll see a playlist popping up right up here in the top corner. Also right down here, you'll see a subscribe button. So hit that to make sure you see my newest content. And like I said, I'm going to be having more videos, multiple, coming out about this projector, the Epson Home Theater 3200 4K. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching with me here today. You guys take care till the next one.